Hello, I'm Claudia St. I'm the founder and CEO of the Workplace Advisors. We are your advisors for all things workplace related. So the recently passed One Big Beautiful Bill Act did have a provision that impacts employers, and I wanted to break it down for you so that you know what your responsibilities are under this new act as it relates to the taxability of overtime pay. Essentially, this bill provides that overtime pay will be non-taxable from a federal income tax perspective. What this means for employers is that they will continue to withhold all taxes, Social Security, Medicare, and federal income tax, from the wages that they pay to their employees, but they will need in the future to report out that additional half time. So the additional half time in time and a half will need to be spelled out specifically and distinctly to employees so that they can file for a deduction for any taxes taken out or withheld on that additional pay. So what this means is if you have an employee that their normal rate of pay is, let's say, $10 an hour, and they receive 1 hour of overtime in a pay period, for that 1 hour of overtime, they would get $10 plus half of that, so they would get a total of $15. It is that additional $5 that is not subject to federal income tax. It is still subject to federal Social Security and Medicare tax. Employers will need to have to track that additional income, that additional half time of all overtime paid, and report that out to employees so that they can file appropriately when they file their taxes in 2026. So they should be tracking this now, and we're waiting for guidance from the IRS on new Form W-4s and W-2s so that employers know accurately how to capture this information. And so you should be having a conversation with your payroll provider, with your tax advisor. We're happy to help in any way that we can. As we learn more, we will let you know, but I just wanted to make sure that employers know this is a change. Most clients that we work with don't track that one provision of overtime, that one component of overtime in their payroll processes, and that's going to be a new responsibility. We expect for 2025 that employers are going to be given some grace to use a reasonable estimate in trying to calculate this, since they weren't probably tracking it before. But as I said, as we learn more, we will share that with you. We hope this helps, and we hope that you have a safe and a productive work week. If you have any questions, reach out to us at hello@theworkplaceadvisors. Take care.